Welcome back, grade 12s. The purpose of this lesson is to investigate one way of reducing the cost of a loan. Your outcomes for this lesson, you're going to have to complete 2 loan tables showing the different repayments for the life of the loan, and then you're going to have to compare the life of the loan as well as the interest paid. From our loan scenario for the house in Cosmo City, we saw that the loan amount initially was 346,500 Rand. When we calculated the real cost, that was 982,198. From this, we can see that there's a real need to be able to reduce the cost of a loan. The increase in that amount was 183.5%. Or if you calculate it differently, it was nearly 3 times the price of the original loan. You're going to open up a spreadsheet and you're going to complete the final 2 lines of the table. You're going to compare the values and then you're going to use those 2 tables in order to complete a Microsoft form. The Microsoft form, incidentally, is very similar to that of a Google form. In order to do this, I'm going to help you walk through it. You are going to open the assignment in the posts channel, as we've always done when we were doing homework. You're going to read the instructions. The instructions will tell you to complete the spreadsheet, which you're going to download so that you will have your own copy and you can work on your own copy. If you prefer not to work in the spreadsheet, you can copy the table into your book. But you need your calculations from that spreadsheet in order to complete the Microsoft form. And the Microsoft form is very similar to the Google form. Once you've completed those 2 items, you will then please complete exercise 3 on page 112 for tomorrow. Help is available during your lesson. You can use the chat in the top left-hand side of MySpace. And if we need to, we will have a class discussion where we can discuss the problems and the issues relating to this exercise. I trust this will be enough for you to be able to complete the task and for you to determine whether you have grasped this concept or not. So where do you find your resources? Well, all the resources are going to be saved under the week which are applicable to them. For today's video and resources, you can find it in the grade 12. There's a new channel called 1 Week, 14 April to 17 April. In that folder, you will find the video for this lesson. There's a hard copy of the quiz in case you are offline, but I really want you to submit it electronically. And then there's also a copy of the microlender spreadsheet which has been put into your resources.